So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to reset NEFF Dishwasher. Reset button, error clear and restart steps. So quick restart steps are: open door, then hold start or reset for 3 to 5 seconds, wait for drain cycle, turn off then turn on, select program and press start. Method first is reset using the start reset button. This is the most common reset method on modern NEFF dishwasher. Open the dishwasher door, locate the start or start reset button, press and hold the button for 3 to 5 seconds, wait for the display to clear. Beep or indicate the program has been cancelled. Close the door and allow the dishwasher to dry any remaining water, usually about 1 minute. Turn the dishwasher off, turn it back on, select a new program and press start. Second method is hard reset. If the control panel is unresponsive, switch the dishwasher off. Unplug it from the power outlet, wait for 30 seconds to 5 minutes, restore power, turn the dishwasher back on and start a wash cycle. Older NEFF models. Some older NEFF Bosch style dishwasher use a bottom combination. Turn the dishwasher on, press and hold the A and C program buttons together for about 3 seconds. Wait while the dishwasher runs a short cancellation cycle. Turn the dishwasher off and turn back on. Select a new program. Thank you.